In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to embed a Kanopy streaming video clip in your Canvas page. So as you can see here, you can embed the clip within the page, so the student can just click on it, and then it'll display the clip within the Canvas page. So let's see. Oops, let me just pause it. So before you actually embed the video clip, you do really need to get you need to find the video first, obviously. So go to www.kanopystreaming.com and click on Watch Now. And then in the select your institution box, go ahead and type in Seattle Central College, Seattle Central, and then you will see Seattle Community College Central Campus. So go ahead and click that. And once you get into the site, you can explore and browse the database here. So let's say I'm going to just go ahead and click on this one and see if I could. Now somehow this video is no longer available, so let me just resize it here. So I'm going to just go back, and instead I'm going to just choose this one. So I suspect that video clip is not available for the moment. So anyway, let me just make it a little bit smaller. And so once you come to a video clip that you want to share, so look under the video section, so you will see share and embed. So go ahead and click that. So again, if you wanted to just go ahead and link it to this video clip, you can just select this and copy and then put the link into your Canvas page, just like here. If you want to embed it, then click on embed, and you are going to copy the code. So select the whole thing and copy it. You can right click and copy, and then come back to Canvas page, and let me just go ahead and edit it. Let's maximize here first. I'm going to go ahead and edit it, and put the insertion point, and I'm going to put some blank space here. So within the editing mode, you need to click on HTML editor, because we are dealing with directly with HTML. So then put the insertion point where you want to put the code. So press enter key a few times, and then click here to go to kind of a clean space. It's not essential, but it makes things a little bit easier when you work with the code. And then when the insertion point is blinking in the blank space here, and then go ahead and right click and paste, or paste as a plain text. And that's it. And you don't need to change anything, but there's one thing that you need to update, and I'll show you exactly why that's the case first. So, and then I will come back to this page. So let me just go ahead and save it. You'll notice that there's nothing showing up. Of course, the old one that I showed you earlier, it shows up. And so what's the difference between the new video clip compared to the old video clip? So here's the difference. So I'm going to go back to the edit, and then continue on with HTML editor, and then go find the HTML code that I've just pasted in it, and you need to add letter S on letter S right after HTTP, but before colon. So put the insertion point somewhere there, and if you need to, you can use the arrow key to the left and right. You don't have to click on a very precise spot, but you do have to have an insertion point right after letter P and before colon. So press enter letter S. So that will make HTTP to HTTPS, meaning that it's a secure site. Because Canvas is a secure site, and it doesn't really work well if you put an insecure site within secure site. So the Canvas needs to have a secure sites in itself. So that's why you put the letter S after HTTP. All right, so after that, that's it. Go ahead and save it. And then you will see the new video. So you can click and it will play. Okay, let me pause it. So there is one more thing that I need to show you, which is that this kind of a readily viewable screen is only available if students and you log in from the college network. So if you log in from Citrix, or if you log in from the student network, then the Kanopy Streaming recognize you as the kind of a authenticated user. So it just automatically shows and plays the video. However, if a student or you log in from outside of official Seattle Central network, then they will see this kind of image. Instead of this video clip, they'll see something like this message. It basically asking you and the student to authenticate by using the login credential for any library database. So simply just put the last name in this box, and then SID, the student identification number, such as 980 as an example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And just like the students, when the students use the library database, they have to put this credential. So then it gets authenticated, then students get to watch the video on Canvas. Okay, that's about it. Thank you. Goodbye.